Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Today is going to be my pleasure to show you this 1970 Corvette. This is one of the exceptional cars. I've said it before, they can all look good in pictures and on your computer that you're watching this on. In person, this car is amazing. I bet you this car is better now than it was new. It is so slick. It's got a number matching 350 horse motor, but it's been upgraded tastefully with some aluminum heads and some roller cam, number matching 4-speed, body off frame restored, factory Daytona Yellow, side pipes, leather seats. It's got less than 1,000 miles on a meticulous nut and bolt restoration. The car is exceptional. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study pictures top to bottom, and that's where you find the price tags on all the collector cars that we offer for sale. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon. That way you'll be the first to see the next one posted. But for right now, top is down. It's a 4-speed. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, really, really nice car. This one really excited me when I bought it and excites me right now. I get to see it again. It's been about a month. It's been in our warehouse, and seeing it again is just like, wow, I know why I bought this car. So the body was off the frame. The entire chassis was restored. It was all disassembled, prepped, painted, all the components, and then all rebuilt. It's independent suspension front and back. All the bushings, the shocks, the springs, the steering components, all that looks new. In back, it all looks new, and it's been updated with the fiberglass rear leaf spring. The car sits right. The floors are all real nice. They're cleaned and painted. The whole spare tire carrier is all there and complete. Actually, it looks new. It has 4-wheel disc brakes, and they're all redone. It has Willwood brakes now, calipers, master cylinder. The hoses, the lines were replaced. The e-brake assembly looks new. You look up at the motor. It's clean. It's painted orange. Has a high-torque starter. It even has the orange overspray that goes on to the bell housing, which is the way it left the factory. It has its VIN number matched Muncie 4-speed transmission. It has a posi rear end. And it has the paint markings like it left the assembly line. There's tags, markings. There's a stencil on the drive shaft. So they really did go out of their way to restore and detail the underside of this car. But it looks like everything's been redone under there. The body's amazing. At the start of this, I said it's better than it was new, and that's because it didn't look this good from the factory. This is yellow glass, I'm telling you. Now the gaps, right on the money. Headlights fit flush and square. All this right here, there's always something here that doesn't fit. This is all lined up beautifully. No issues, no damage. Right here, it all lines up real nice. And this is glass. There's a hairline crack right at this corner right here, a tiny hairline crack, but it fits nice. Again, yellow glass everywhere I'm looking. The bumpers have a show quality chrome. The lenses look new. License plate, emblems, all that. Lenses all looks new. New correct antenna, new luggage rack. Gas caps new. This side just as nice. This is all more yellow glass, all fits great. Even the screws are shiny. The mirror, the handles, the locks, side pipes, really cool. You'll hear it at the end of the video, but them chrome pipes look great, sound awesome. It takes the whole excitement level up a notch. This here is polished stainless. The windshield's crystal clear all around here. This is always all scuffed and beat up. This is all beautiful. New emblem, the bumper, the whole grille assembly, the lenses, everything up here is gorgeous. And you probably noticed by now that the rally wheels are chrome plated. They're gorgeous wheels with some BF Goodrich performance tires. Yeah, G-Force tires. And they are 16-inch versus the original 15. So gorgeous chrome wheels. All the details, just fantastic. So why don't we open it up, show you the interior under the hood. Also, the convertible top is a black top. There's plenty of pictures of that on our website. It's new, the top irons, the rubber, all that, excellent shape. Okay, these have the world's smallest trunk. That's why you have a luggage rack right here. Looks good. You do have some storage behind the seats, though, which we'll show you in a second. But look at the door panel. It is pristine. Look at the door jamb, how nicely it's painted. The weather strips fit beautifully. Look at the knobs, the wood grain. The hinges up front there. Look at the detail. It's just amazing. And if you look across the dash pad is mint, the vents, the knobs, the gauges, all in fantastic condition. Now that's a retro stereo, and it has an auxiliary plug over here. You can plug your devices in. But the heater control panel, all of this stuff's mint. It's got the correct shifter with the reverse lockout. Car has power windows. Glove soft leather seats with all new cushions. Look how nice they fit, and it's actual leather. The seat belts are in excellent shape. The carpets are excellent. It has reproduction floor mats. It's a tilt telescopic wheel, and they put a custom actual wood steering wheel on there. And I also forgot to mention earlier, it has original documentation. So this car came with the 350 horse motor. It was yellow, 4-speed. Got some options. Here's a convertible top I was talking about. Even the latches, the plastic, the framework, the rubber. Everywhere you look, the car's like new. Look at under the lid. The springs and handles and cables and screws, all of it is just like new. So let's check out the engine compartment. Oh, I gotta pull the latch one more time. There we go. So this is the original VIN number match 350 horsepower. That was the optional, very desirable motor. Now someone's taken it to the next level. They put a roller cam. They put aluminum heads on it. The intake looks like it's powder coated. But look how immaculate everything is. Just look at the chrome. It's like a mirror. You have the shielding is all polished. It has MSD ignition wires. Nuts, bolts, screws, everything is spotless. Upgraded aluminum radiator, the big electric fan, aluminum pulleys. Has a Willwood master cylinder on the power brakes. I don't know if you can catch the exhaust manifolds, but there's some nice, they look like they're porcelain coated custom exhaust manifolds. All the hoses, wiper motor, everything is proper. I've also said this before, it's not just a matter of buying a whole bunch of new parts and slapping them on, but you have to take the time to do it right. Everything on this car is done right, it's done neatly, it fits right. It's an exceptional car. I keep using that word, it's exceptional. So there you have it. This car, it checks all the boxes. It's exciting. The condition is amazing. The option list is impressive. This just has it all. If we were to close down tomorrow and my dad said, keep 5 cars, this would be coming home with me for sure. Amazing car. So a lot of Corvettes. Even up front here, the vacuum actuators, the hoses, all of it looks brand new. So I'm telling you, this is one of the good ones. One of the amazing ones, I should say. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to ask. They'll help you the best they can. They can help get this delivered in your driveway. They can help you get it financed. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, I hope you do. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.